welcome back to another episode of Times Foodie Approved, and today I'm taking you to Shibuya with me. Not the one in Japan, but the one in Meherchand Market, Lodi Colony. So come with me. As soon as you walk in, the fun interiors catch your eye. There are quirky canvas paintings, cute merchandise, and even a giant noodle themed ceiling that adds a playful touch to the space. The vibe is colorful, casual, and perfect for a meal with friends. This cozy spot is all about pan Asian comfort food, serving everything from sushi and dim sums to steaming bowls of ramen, flavor packed rice, noodle, and much more. Now, let's find out if the food is just as impressive and whether Shibuya earns the Times Foodie approved stamp. So this one is crispy Thai corn from their small plate. So let's start with this. We started with the crispy Thai corn and it was an instant favorite, super crispy, perfectly seasoned and seriously addictive. The medley of vegetable dim sums was soft, fresh and tasted even better with the chili oil. Definitely don't skip that dip. Next we tried the acai roll. So just look at this one. This looks so colorful. I mean, it literally looks like a rainbow. And it was surprisingly refreshing. The water chestnut added a nice crunch while the beetroot mayo tied all the flavors together beautifully. So this one is Dino Milo, which is Thailand's favorite choco shake. And I'm really excited to try this one. So let's have this. It's so rich in flavor. It feels so chocolatey, creamy, and such a nostalgic treat. I can have one more glass of this one. So this one right over here is Chengdu style spicy noodle. Basically, it's very hot and spicy. So let's taste this and see how it tastes. Packed with bold flavors and just the right kick of spice. Every bite was so satisfying. The Szechuan bowl with rice was comforting, flavorful, and a complete meal on its own. If you enjoy spicy rice bowls, this one's worth ordering. So this one right here is chocolate nama, which has vanilla ice cream on top of it. Let's have a bite of this one. Rich, silky chocolate paired with creamy ice cream. It was the perfect way to finish the meal. And that's not all. If you're a sushi lover, then for your birthday you can skip the regular cake and go for their fun sushi cake or adorable bento cake instead. Also, if you're visiting during the Sawan season, they have got plenty of special Sawan friendly dishes on the menu too. So if you're looking for a casual neighborhood kind of a spot to satisfy your pan-Asian cravings like sushi, ramen, dim sum or any bowl, then of course this place is a must try. That's it from this episode of Times Foodie Approved. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie for more delicious finds. See you in the next one. Bye.